The hidden truth inside your gut. Have you ever met someone who seems to defy time? The kind of person who reaches 90 years old with the energy of someone half their age. No medications, no memory loss, just sharp, strong, and full of life. You might think, they must have won the genetic lottery. But what if I told you it has very little to do with luck, and everything to do with what's happening inside their gut? Right now, inside your body, there's a complex, intelligent ecosystem made up of trillions of microscopic organisms. This ecosystem, your gut microbiome, could be either working for you or silently accelerating your aging. In this video, you're going to discover the 4 powerful bacteria linked to longevity, the ones commonly found in people who live well past 100. And most importantly, you'll learn how to feed them, protect them, and make them work for you. Stick with me, because by the end of this video you'll know which everyday foods help these microbes thrive, which silent habits are destroying your microbiome without you knowing, and the most underrated thing you can do daily to rejuvenate your body and your brain. This isn't just about living longer. It's about staying strong, sharp, and full of energy, even into your 80s, 90s, or beyond. If that's something you want, then hit like, subscribe, and let's begin. Your gut, the command center of aging. For a long time, people thought the gut was just a digestive tube, something that processed food and passed waste. But in the past decade, science has revealed something much bigger. Your gut is actually the control center for your health. It influences your immune system, brain function, mood, metabolism, and yes, how fast or slow you age. When your gut is in balance, your body works efficiently. Inflammation is low and energy flows. But when it's out of balance, your gut begins releasing silent signals of inflammation that slowly erode your health. You might not feel it, you might not see it. But over time, this hidden inflammation, known as inflammaging, weakens your body from the inside. It damages DNA, it disrupts your hormones, it accelerates wrinkles, fatigue, brain fog, and opens the door to chronic illnesses like diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and even depression. Worse still, there's a direct line of communication between your gut and your brain. This gut-brain axis controls the production of key neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals that regulate mood, motivation, and memory. If your gut is off, you might be feeling anxious, low energy, unfocused, without even realizing it's your microbiome. Now imagine someone living like that for decades. It's no wonder many people feel old by the time they hit 60. But here's the hopeful part. It doesn't have to be that way. The longevity villages of Italy. In a small village in southern Italy, researchers found something extraordinary. People were living to 100 and beyond, without medications, without dementia, and without chronic disease. They weren't living in luxury, they weren't following high-tech health regimens. So what was their secret? When scientists studied the gut microbiomes of these supercentenarians, they found rare colonies of bacteria that were barely present in modern populations. These microbes weren't just surviving, they were thriving. They were reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and regulating metabolism. And no, it wasn't just genetics, it was daily habits, simple routines that allowed these microbes to flourish. Now, let's meet the 4 bacteria of longevity. Meet the microbes that keep you young, Odoribacter. This bacteria helps regulate your immune response, especially as you age. It strengthens your gut wall, preventing harmful toxins from leaking into your bloodstream, a major cause of chronic inflammation. Osilobacter. This one helps control blood sugar and cholesterol. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces LDL, the bad cholesterol. Think of it as your metabolic ally. Kristensenella. Found in people with healthy body weight, even with imperfect diets. It also supports the production of brain chemicals like GABA, keeping you calm, focused, and mentally sharp. Akkermansia mucinifera, the star of the show. This bacteria helps rebuild your gut lining, lowers inflammation, and even makes certain cancer treatments more effective. It's also linked to improved metabolism and lower body fat. These 4 microbes are like a microscopic anti-aging team inside your gut, but they only show up if you feed them right. Feeding the bacteria of longevity. So, how do you grow these bacteria? It's not with expensive probiotics. It's not with pills. It starts with food. The best fuel for your gut microbes: polyphenols, natural compounds found in colorful plant foods. Eat more pomegranate, red grapes, green tea, berries, and dried cranberries. Next, resistant starch. This is a type of fiber your body can't digest, but your gut bacteria can. It's their favorite food. You'll find it in cooled potatoes and rice, beans and lentils, green bananas, oats. And don't forget fermented foods: sauerkraut, kefir, plain yogurt, miso. These introduce new bacteria and help the good ones multiply, because if you're making one of these common mistakes. Habits that wreck your gut. Think of your gut like a garden. What you plant and how you treat the soil determines what grows. But too many people are doing things every day that poison the soil. Overuse of antibiotics. They wipe out good bacteria along with the bad. Ultra-processed foods, full of chemicals, emulsifiers, and sugar that feed the bad microbes. Poor sleep disrupts the gut's natural healing process. Lack of movement. Physical activity keeps the gut ecosystem diverse and strong. Even if your diet is perfect, these 4 habits can undo all your progress. Now here's something powerful. The Hope Molecule. Why movement heals your gut. When you move your body, even for just 10 minutes, your muscles release special molecules called myokines. One of these is nicknamed the Hope Molecule. Why? Because it reduces inflammation, boosts your mood, improves memory, and helps longevity bacteria grow. And you don't need intense workouts. The world's longest living people in blue zones don't go to gyms. They walk, they garden, they move naturally throughout the day. It's not about exercise, it's about movement. Your gut longevity plan. Simple daily steps. Here's how you can start transforming your gut today. Eat 1 fermented food every day, like yogurt or kefir. Add resistant starch, like cooled rice or green bananas. Include polyphenols, like grapes, tea, or berries. Get 20 minutes of movement. Walk, stretch, dance. Avoid ultra-processed snacks and let your gut rest between meals. Each of these choices strengthens your internal ecosystem. Over time, they'll change how you feel and how you age. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. With the right gut bacteria, you can stay strong, clear-minded, and energized well into your later years. Aedes, Oxalobacter, Christensenella, Akkermansia. These names may sound strange now, but they could become your greatest allies. Feed them, move for them, rest for them, and they'll protect you in return. No magic, just science. Simple choices, done daily. If this video gave you a new perspective, share it with someone you care about, someone who's ready for a fresh start. And if you want more truth-backed health strategies, subscribe. Here, we don't chase trends, we chase longevity. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. I'll see you in the next one.